In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Spotify Soundtrap. Before we sign in, let's get clear on what Soundtrap actually is. Soundtrap is an online music and podcast studio owned by Spotify. Think of it as a creative workspace that lives right in your browser. You can make songs from scratch, build beats, record voiceovers, and produce podcasts without installing any software. Because it's web-based, you can start a project on one computer and pick it up on another as long as you have internet access. It's great for quick ideas, full tracks, and everything in between, especially if you prefer a simple, accessible setup without a heavy learning curve. Now let's walk through signing in so you can get into the studio. Open your browser and go to soundtrap.com. On the homepage, look for the sign in button and click it. If you have an older Soundtrap account that's linked to Spotify, choose Continue with Spotify. This option connects your Spotify and Soundtrap identities, and it's the simplest path for legacy accounts. When prompted, review the permissions and click Allow to grant access. This step authorizes Soundtrap to use your Spotify login securely, which helps you get in without creating a separate password. If you see a confirmation or you land in your dashboard, you're in and ready to explore. A quick note here, the Continue with Spotify option mainly works for older Soundtrap accounts. If you're new to Soundtrap, you'll usually sign in using Google, Apple, or an email-based login instead. If you don't see the Spotify option or it doesn't work for you, that's expected for newer users. In that case, simply choose the sign-in method you normally use for other services and follow the on-screen prompts. The goal is the same, get you into the studio, just with a different login provider. A few practical tips to make your first session smoother. Use a modern browser and keep it updated for the best performance. A stable internet connection helps prevent hiccups while recording or saving. If you plan to record voice, plug in headphones to avoid feedback and consider a quiet space to improve audio quality. And as you grant permissions, take a moment to read what you're approving. Good digital hygiene goes a long way. That's all you need to get into Soundtrap and understand what it offers. In the next part of your journey, explore the studio layout, try a quick voice recording, or start sketching a beat. For now, you're signed in and ready to create directly in your browser.